How are you today?
I am great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you help me, please?
Sure, no problem.
How was your weekend?
It was wonderful.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am free.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, of course.
What does this word mean?
It means friend.
Could you speak slowly?
Sure, I can speak slowly.
How do you say this in English?
You say, thank you.
I am sorry, I don't understand.
That's okay, I can explain.
May I ask a question?
Yes, please ask.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he is my friend.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Excuse me, where is the toilet?
It is over there.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite is pizza.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading.
Can you play the guitar?
No, but I can sing.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny today.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
When is your birthday?
It is in June.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I am working.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the park.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Can I call you later?
Yes, call me at 6.
What do you want to drink?
Just water, please.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, it was fun.
Can I have your number?
Yes, it is 5550199.
Will you come back soon?
I hope so.
What is your email?
It is anna@mail.com.
Have a nice day.
You too.
See you later.
See you soon.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you love English?
Yes, I love it.